Well, welcome back to another video. Today's Monday the 11th and we're just at the moment to get the cows in to go milking. So I'm just going to move this wire back. So we moved the wire for morning milking and then before the milking, so they have fresh grass when they come back. So we strip graze every paddock, so this is just the best of the grass and none of it's wasted, so I'm going to move this wire now.
I wanna live a life down by the riverside. Oh, count the stars at night, far from the city lights. 'Cause when I'm with you, no time to waste. Can't wait till the moment, that perfect taste. I can't go back, 'cause the time is low. Don't wanna end this show. I wanna live a life far from the city lights. I wanna live a life far from the city.
So we have that wire up now, so go back now and start milking the cows. So I'm with my dog, Bars. It makes milking the cows a lot easier. So. Okay, so while we're waiting for the first cows to be milked here, I'm answering some of your questions from the last video. So, Open Brady asked, would you ever upgrade to a bigger parlour? So, I'm planning on hopefully upgrading to a studio parlour. Probably take out the tank and push down to another shed back there, then extend this out into there. Also trying to get a mill bin, moment no money first, so wait till that was first, goes up by, then we'll think about it. So John Creagh asked how many cows you got. So we're milking 30 cows at the moment and there's about 5 cows dry over in the field above. So altogether we're about 50 animals. So Ryan Heifer asked how long does it take you to milk all the cows, and I hear some farmers have to pull milk away because it's not being lifted or yours being pulled away. So it takes us about an hour to milk. Altogether washing in, washing out, the feeding gas about an hour and a half. And luckily at the moment we haven't had to pump any milk yet, so price is done end that and we'll at least have to pump it.
I wanna live a life far from the city lights. I wanna live a life far from the city lights. I wanna live a life down by the riverside. Oh, count the stars at night, far from the city lights. 'Cause all this fighting and all this violence, I need some quiet, I need some silence. I beg.
So there's one out here, 342. She's the oldest cow we have, she's 7 years old. She's long to milk, so they've all milked. Everyone's there, they're just done, and she's still halfway milking. Make up in try to get her on 36 like it's fairly long. So we just finished milking now, so I'm just going to help the cows up here, they're over in the field over there. Me and Boris just going to the cows up. Let's see after that. So I'm out for breakfast now, so I'm going to go clear out the yard, cow yard here. Strip all out this, and I'm going to clear out the shed too. And when we're finished that, we're going to throw a bit of feed and teach these ring feeders, so the cows when they come in they get a bit of silage, and we'll feed our bulls and our heifers out too, then too. no silage left for this time of the year, but this year we have a good bit of silage left for us. So we're just feeding from this side now. I've got a good bit of waste silage here, so I'm just trying to ground this away and get rid of this so we can feed from this way in now.
Don't wanna end this show. I wanna live a life far from the city lights. I wanna live a life far from the city lights.
So I threw in a load of silage to the bulls here. I'm just going to bring it back to their feeder so they can feed away, and then I have to do is feed 3 calves in there, get wheelbarrow silage for them, and let out the heifers in there, and I'm done for the morning. so all the animals now are fed, so this is one of our bulls. Then there's 3 heifers there too. We put them out here first, and then we put a wire over across the yard here. This is to get them used to the electric fence, so to get a few shocks off it. And then when they go out in the field, they won't be totally stunned by the shock of the electric wire. These will be going out into the field this week, so. So there's a plough here and a topper, and I want to move these out of the way, so when it comes to silage then we'll have these be out of the way. So I'm going to move the plough over inside the harrow, keep them tighter, so I have to move these 2 ring feeders. And then this is a bit of a push off rake, so I have to lift this up with a chain and put it off somewhere. First of all I have to take out the scraper back tractor, so then I can pick up the plough, move it back up there. Over here now, so it's out of the way, over by the harrow. Okay, so that's how to move the topper, but the trailer here is in the way, so I need to move the trailer first, so I have to take out the pickup hitch, put on the wall top in. Paddock at the cows after grades, few big lumps of grass left. It's not really stemming, like cows don't want that, so put that down to encourage slurry and loose growth. So hopping away with this topper here. It's a fairly rusty topper, but it does the job. Has a new gearbox, so it's working fairly well. The frame's on it rusty, but are too long for the cows to eat. Keep the top down. They're going to stemmy. Some thistles or something. Top these down, just get rid of them, and then that'll guard new growth, tillering. So only top the whole field because the rest of the field is grazed down perfectly. So only top the bits I have to top. So when the tops of the grass cuts down to like this. Just a bit stemmy grass here. And that's good for the soil, so that organic matter goes back in the soil then. It's a wilts and all. Oh, there's a good bit of rust underneath, but still working anyway. See these spinning around here, and these have a sharp edge here. And these are spinning out on the grass. There's a brand new gearbox in it, so should have a good bit of, might have to do a bit touching up on the frame, but gearbox is good now, so hopefully lasts a good bit longer. We'll give all the calves, heifers and bulls their nuts, so make sure we give them the right amount of nuts each time. We use the scales here, we'll put the bucket on top of this, we'll weigh them. This gives it, this just make sure that they're not giving too little one day and then too much the other day. So I finished even milk now, so I'm just gonna go shut up the cows and then get paddock ready for the morning. Always have to have paddock ready for the morning so you don't have to move wire. Mornings is handies. So we get this field divided into 3 paddocks, and I will graze each paddock. So just graze this paddock and this paddock, and they're just finished in the middle paddock, and then they're going to go up here. So once they're finished here, I'll fertilise this one. So once they're finished, I'll give them a quick top, and then I'll fertilise them to get ready for when they come around again in about 21 days. I'll try to keep that around 21 days, 3 weeks before they come back in the grazing. Like it's time for fertiliser to go down and all. obviously hanging up in there. It's live now from the electric fence. So I have this ready for the morning. So that means when I have to do is bring the cows in and I have to move any wire from. It's handy in the morning. So now I'm done for today. So I'm gonna leave the video up there. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Go over and follow us on Instagram. Trying to hit 3,000 followers over there. So any help will be appreciated. Link will be in the description. So don't forget to like and subscribe and good luck.